This is number 20 from the 2024 Algebra 1 EOC. Which situation best represents association but not causation? Okay, so we want to know two things that are associated, but one thing doesn't necessarily cause the other, right? We're just talking about cause and effect. So letter A says when the number of spectators at a football game increases, the number of wins for the home team increases. And so these two things might be associated, right? But the number of spectators at a game does not necessarily cause more wins for the home team. Okay. And so I'm thinking that this is a good match for the answer, but I'm just going to put a check for now and check the other ones. Letter B says when more gallons of water are put into an aquarium, the weight of the aquarium increases. And so obviously, the more gallons of water you put into an aquarium, yes, that is going to cause the weight to increase. So that is causation, but we want one that's not. And so we're going to mark out letter B. Letter C says when the amount of time an athlete runs increases, the distance she runs increases. And that, again, is causation. The more amount of time you run, the distance you run is going to increase. As you run for longer, you're moving, right? So you're running more. So letter C is also not going to be correct. And then letter D says when the charge of a cell phone battery increases, the number of minutes the phone can be used increases. And so again, that would be causation. The charge of a cell phone battery would cause you to be able to use your phone for more minutes. So that is causation, but that is not what we're looking for in our answer. We want one that is not causation, so we're going to go with letter A.